So today we're gonna cut up a whole salmon for steaks. There you go, the salmon head. And to me, I prefer the salmon steaks over the fillet because I like steaks. So anything to do with steaks, I'm gonna pick it. So that's why my favorite is salmon steak. It has a better flavor because of the bone, and it cooks a lot better to me with the bone in it. Just my preference. So there you go, the salmon head. Now we're gonna cut it into steaks. Make sure you have a sharp knife. Okay, and just go ahead and cut right through the bones. So like if your knife is sharp enough with a little bit of power, once you get to the bone, it will cut right through. And I'm cutting these like about 3/4 to an inch. And I'm saying these would be amazing on a grill or in the oven. So there you go. Just want to make sure your knife is sharp and just cut regular. Once you get to the bone, just use a little bit of power and push right through the bone. And if you want, you can obviously use a serrated knife because it's gonna go through the bone quicker. So just use your regular knife to slice. And when you get to the bone, you can use a serrated knife to cut through. And once you get to the back of the salmon, the bone's gonna get smaller and smaller, and the salmon steaks are gonna look more prettier. So these are the ones I like the most towards the back area of the salmon because they don't have this split in them. So they look even more better on the grill. All right. So like I said, just showing you how to cut up a whole salmon into steaks. You can do this with any fish. Obviously, the fish is big enough. You could steak any fish. And to me, the steaks just look better. It look better as far as like presentation on the plate or just regardless of what you're doing. So this is pretty much the whole salmon steaks right here. Tell me that's not beautiful. Like I said, on the grill, on the oven, a little brown sugar, teriyaki sauce, put them on the grill. Amazing. Or you can just use your regular seasoning. You can jerk them. You can smoke them. You can do anything with salmon. But to me, the salmon steaks just come out a little bit better. And as far as like a presentation wise, just comes out a lot better. So just wanted to show you guys a different look and how to. You don't always have to fillet your fish. You definitely get some beautiful steaks out of it.